y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have another unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing my June 2020 Bibbidi box. Now, I am on the castle level, I think is what it's called, and it is $119 a month plus shipping, so it's around $130 a month for this. Now, this box came extremely late, so I did take and put my other box, the July box, on hold, and I'm just gonna get the next one in August because this is supposed to come at the very beginning of the month and it is almost the middle of the month, so I've got a lot of other content planned, so I was like, well, we'll go ahead and wait on this. Now, one thing I do love about Bibbidi boxes is look at this box, how adorable the artwork is on it. It is super duper cute. I am so excited about it. So I haven't opened it up yet. The only thing I did was cut the tape. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it open. So this is the packing slip. We're not gonna go ahead and look. And then I also got a little card to share a photo or video on Instagram and mention us. So whenever you open it up, it looks like this. It is still sealed with the sticker. So a presentation is super duper cute. So the first thing in here is, my Loungefly item, and this is a Kingdom Hearts backpack, which, again, like last month, Caden loves Kingdom Hearts, so I will probably give this to him. And these retail for about 60 bucks. But super cute. Loungefly bags are made really, really well. So, and one thing I do know, because I don't play Kingdom Hearts, but it is like a mixture of Final Fantasy with Disney, is that is called a Keyblade. Caden has told me that. Okay, so we got that. Next thing in here is, I'm not exactly sure what this is. It says B by Bibbidi. I think this might be a headband. I could be wrong. Yes, so it's a headband. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be like in reference to, but it's a nice sweat-proof headband. I will probably give that to Nadia because I typically don't like to wear headbands like that. Next in here is a ring. And it is a Mickey and Minnie ring, and the crystals are Swarovski. It is a Parks and Resorts exclusive. It is retails for $19.99. Let's see if it'll focus on that. But it is super cute. I like that. Next in here we have a cup. And it is a strawed tumbler with Mickey Mouse on it. Looks like this. And it's like this sketch pattern. Super duper cute. I know I use that term a lot. I got a sticker for Disney's Blizzard Beach. I got an orange bird pin, and it says, "Orange, you glad you're here." And then last but not least, I got something by Danielle Nicole. So let's open this up because I cannot see what it is. Oh, that's cute. So it is an Aladdin card holder. And see, it's got Raja on the front, which is the tiger. Kind of funny with all the stuff going on with Tiger King. So that is super cute. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packing slip to see what the retail box is worth. So the Loungefly Kingdom Hearts backpack is $50. The Orange Bird pin is $4. The Mickey tumbler is $14.99. The B by Bibbidi Resort collection inspired by Jumbo, so that's the Jumbo House, I'm guessing at Animal Kingdom. $14.99, which seems very high for a single headband. The Danielle Nicole Disney Aladdin card holder is $19.99. The ring was $19.99, and the Blizzard Beach decal was $2.50. So the total retail value of the box is $126.46. Now, for myself personally, last month it was more on the head because the Star Wars stuff I knew Caden would love. A lot of this stuff is not things that, I mean, it's cute, but it's not things that I would purchase or that I'm really super interested in, especially for the amount of money. Like, I would never spend $20 on a single headband. No way. It wouldn't matter what it had on it. But as I said, I don't buy headbands anyway, so again, that was definitely not worth the money. I love the Orange Bird pin. Again, not something that I'm going to purchase. I'm not a big fan of having pins. The Blizzard Beach sticker. I don't stick stickers on anything. Now, I do really like the Danielle Nicole card. And I do like the Mickey and Minnie Swarovski ring, but I don't like that it is faux metal. I don't wear jewelry that isn't either real sterling because it irritates my skin, especially when I get sweaty, which is all the time because we live in Southeast Texas heat. And even though the tumbler is super duper cute, we only use metal cups in the house. They hold your drinks, they keep them colder longer, they keep them warm longer. And tumblers like this, it's very hard to put through the dishwasher. You gotta hand wash them. Not a big fan of hand washing dishes. And after a while, they tend to separate and it gets gross dishwater in here if you do put them through the dishwasher. So not my favorite. Now, Caden will love the backpack, but as again, we just got a full-size Loungefly backpack last month. So this month, I'm not sure if I feel like the value is here. So I'm going to wait and get my August box, because as I said, I skipped July. And if I still feel that way, I might cancel the subscription. Because even though the items are neat, I can get Loungefly from Hot Topic, from Box Lunch. A lot of times they will have their items 30 and 40 and 50% off. A lot of these items I can find things like that, they're Hot Topic or Box Lunch or even the Disney store on sale, where I feel like I can pick the items and I will get a better value for my money. So again, we'll wait and see what happens on the next box, but that's my personal feelings on it today. I still enjoy getting a box because I love the surprise factor. I'm just not sure if this is worth it. Because again, it is very expensive. And I don't mind paying more for the items. It's just, I want the items to be things that I like. You know what I'm saying? And I'm paying for Disney items. I'm not paying for their house brand. And being a business owner, I know that they have that marked up extremely high compared to what they're paying for it to make the box seem more expensive than what it really is. So we'll see how that goes. But I guess that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'm sorry we did not get a video posted on Monday. It was a extremely crazy day on Monday. But I guess that's it. We'll see y'all on Friday. Bye.